This video will explain the step-by-step process of how to use D3D Wi-Fi IP camera with mobile hotspot. This video will be applicable for below D3D IP camera models. Before starting setup, make sure you have two smartphones. One smartphone will act like as a router, and second smartphone will be used for downloading the mobile app and completing the configuration process. Turn on the hotspot of mobile phone 1. There should be no special character in Wi-Fi SSID and password. Keep your first mobile phone near to the camera, it will act as like a router for the camera. Then connect the Wi-Fi network of Mobile 2 with Mobile 1. Now search and install mobile application you see. Open the mobile application. Click on Register. Enter email ID. Enter password. Click on Register. Phone will automatically take your register email ID and password. Now click on Login. Click on plus sign to add camera, select Add New Device, click on Smart Link. Your home Wi-Fi name will be shown. Now enter your Wi-Fi password and click on Next. Click on Hear a Beep for connection. Click on Next. Keep the mobile phone nearby the camera during configuration. Phone will produce music sound. After successful configuration, mobile application will ask to give a new name and default password for camera. Now click on Save. Now the D3D camera will be shown online. Click on Camera to see the live video. Thanks for watching the video. For any help, feel free to contact us.